Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 16th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen and other yen pairs especially, I think it's very clear that this is a 1, 2, 3, and we are likely now in a wave 4, and it's probably eventually going to go down again for a wave 5. I still think the 50% fib retracement is a likely place for the wave 4 to go before it goes up and makes that wave 5. So, taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this is an A. I think we are likely in a wave B right now, and I do think that at some point, which is probably not quite yet, it's going to go back down and make a C of 4. So keep that in mind. Let's head down to the daily. On the daily time frame, I believe this bottom right here is the A. I think this is an ABC correction, which I'm still not really convinced is over. We are at the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, but I still think that the 138 or the 123 is the more likely target for this to potentially end this ABC of B. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely are pushing down a little bit. Now, to me, it looks like a correction to the uptrend. I mean, it's still, to me, like I said yesterday, looks like an A, looks like a possible B, looks like it could be in a wave C right now. Now, if it does go down and break structure but then reject it instantly, then I'll definitely take that as another long opportunity. On the other hand, if it goes down and breaks structure and holds below structure, then I will stop looking for longs and happily start looking for shorts, even though my higher time frames lead me to believe that it is going to continue up. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, on the 1 hour, to me it does look like an ABC. It looks like 5 ways down over here for A. It looks like 5 ways up for A or B, 3 ways for B or B, 5 ways for C or B, so A, B, C or B. It kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3, so maybe we're in a wave 4 right now. 1, 2, 3. And then maybe it goes down and makes a wave 5. And then it breaks structure, but because it's a wave 5 of C, it instantly rejects structure. If I see that picture right there, then I am definitely going to be going long for the continuation of the uptrend. If I see it break this structure and hold below structure, then I will be looking for pullback entries to go short from that point on. So pay attention to your structure, pay attention to price, and you should be trading in the right direction. So, as always, don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.